Welcome to today's lesson on what is biochemistry. This lesson is a simple introduction to help you understand the basics of biochemistry. So, what exactly is biochemistry? Biochemistry is a branch of science that studies life at molecular level. It helps us to understand how enzymes speed up chemical reactions, how DNA carries genetic information, how diseases develop, and how drugs work in our bodies. In understanding the existence of life and its process, biochemists study four major biological molecules, which are the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Now, let's talk about the branches of biochemistry. Biochemistry has several branches, such as clinical biochemistry. This branch applies biochemistry knowledge to medical diagnosis and laboratory testing. We also have the structural biochemistry, which focuses on the structures and functions of molecules. Then there is the molecular biology, which studies structure and fundamental molecules like DNA, RNA, and proteins. Then the enzymology, which studies structure, function, and kinetics of enzymes. Then there is also the metabolic biochemistry, which studies energy production and chemical reactions that sustains life. Now let's talk about applications of biochemistry. Biochemistry is everywhere. The food we eat, the drugs we take, and the way our bodies function all involve biochemistry. Hence, biochemistry is present in a lot of fields. In biotechnology, biochemistry provides the molecular foundation for development of drugs, vaccines, and genetically modified organisms. In medicine, biochemistry helps doctors to understand metabolism, genetic disorders, and treatment effects. Then in agriculture, the understanding of biochemical pathways of plants helps to develop crops with better yields and enhance nutritional content. Now, there is the forensic science. Knowledge of biochemistry is very crucial in analyzing biological evidences like DNA, blood, hair, saliva, etc. Then in nutrition, biochemistry explains how nutrients become energy, building blocks, and functional molecules. Now, we experience biochemistry every day. When you eat food, your body breaks it down to give you energy in the form of ATP. That process is biochemistry. When your muscles contract, when your hormones regulate your mood, and when your immune system fights off infection, all are biochemical processes. In summary of our lesson today, biochemistry is the chemistry of life. It studies molecules that makes up living things and the reactions that keeps us alive. Understanding biochemistry helps us to understand health, disease, and the science behind how our bodies work. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and follow for more simple biochemistry lessons. In the next video, we will look at biomolecules. See you in the next class, and thank you for watching.